So since you are having problem with actually imagining how the ECG machine physically looks like and works, and what are the electrodes used, and also with axis, determining the cardiac axis and understanding the axis and axis calculation, this is the video regarding that. So let me explain you. Suppose this is a human being. With the heart at the center. Okay. So let me make this is hands, and so there are 6 limb leads, 6 chest leads. Okay, so you will make lead 1, that is here positive, here negative. Okay, so in between that you have lead 1. Okay, this dotted orange line is an imaginary line. Okay, we will take this line to make the cardiac axis. So lead 1 has 2 poles, one in the left arm, one in the right arm. Okay, positive and negative pole. Then similarly we will make lead 2, whose positive pole will be in the left foot, negative pole again in the right arm, and between them we'll make this imaginary line. Okay, and then lead 3 will have its positive pole in the left leg and negative pole in the left arm, and again imaginary line between the poles. Okay, this is lead 3, this is lead 2. Alright, then I told you, okay, let me just broaden this guy's body. Sorry. Okay, and shift his heart and leg. Okay, I'll shift his heart here. Alright, that's better. So we will take this heart as 0 potential. Okay, 0 potential. Okay, this will be used as one of the poles, 0 potential, or a relative negative pole in relation to the leads whose negative poles are not defined, such as augmented leads. Okay, so we will place the augmented leads and mark them as blue. Okay, we will have at this point on this arm, on the left arm, we will have AVL, AVR, sorry, AVF. Okay, so this is the relative negative pole. So we will draw a straight line in order to close the circuit. In order to imagine as if the circuit is closed, we will draw imaginary line joining this pole. Okay, to the respective augmented leads. Alright, so let me remove the heart for clarity's sake. Okay. So this is for clarity's sake, I have removed the heart. Now you can imagine we have placed lead 1, 2, 3 and AVL, AVR, AVF. Okay, then the chest leads I have already shown you in the previous lectures, which is not required right now. With the help of these, we will now convert them into an axis. Okay, we will now convert them into cardiac axis, which we see in our books. So we will represent it in a 360-degree circle. The cardiac axis is represented in a 360-degree circle. So first use this lead 1 and AVF. Why? Because they will be used to represent your X and Y axis. Okay, so I'm using the respective colors. In her lead 1 and AVF तो फिर